Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby STEM, and today I'll be showing you some of the yarn that I dye and a little bit of the process that I did. It's my first time dyeing yarn and I'm very addicted to it. So I will show you some of the colors that I created. This is the yarn that I'm gonna dye, and the ones that I dyed before, they are from Nick Pick. This one is Gloss Fingering Bear. This one is 70% merino wool, 30% silk. This one is Fine One. This one is Nitpick Shadow Bear, is 100% merino wool, and this one is lace weight, very thin. And this one is Nitpick Wool of the Andes Worsted Bear, and is 100% Peruvian Highland wool, and this one is medium 4. So these ones are the ones that I bought, but in this video I'm going to show you how I dyed this one a little bit, just a little bit, because I already done these ones, and I will show you the color that I created. So I hope you guys enjoy this little video. This is my first time dyeing wool, so I hope you guys like the colors. And dyeing yarn, I already did this before. I will show you later some other ones that I already dyed. And here I have from Nitpick Wool of the Andes Worsted Bear. Is 100% Peruvian Highland wool, 100 grams, 220 yards worsted weight, and I have 6 of this cane. And I have them here in water and vinegar soaking. So I will let them soak for at least 1 hour, and then I will start dyeing them. And I will show you the progress as I go. Here is in the process. This one is fuchsia. And it's 2 skein in here. So in this one I have fuchsia. I have bright aqua, black, cabaret, and lilac. And let's see what happened. I have 4 skein in this one, so I want them to be like they go together. Let's see. So I will show you the progress as I go. This is how coming along. I put a little bit of saffron spices to this one because I want just to give it a little bit of dimension to this one, not just one color. And I added as well in this side a little bit of saffron spice. I don't add any black in this side or the cabaret because I was too much dark in one side, so one side will be darker than the other. Let's see the progress as I go. Well, I finished dyeing them. I rinsed them and put them to dry. To this one I'd add a little bit of the saffron because I wanted just to have a little bit, you know, deeper color here and there, so you can see in here and in some space that you see the darker color. So this one was one that I dyed before, but it was like very light green, like a light minty green and very light pink. I didn't like it at all, and I re-dyed this one, and I put some Chinese red, some saffron. Saffron is my favorite. Some bright green, I think it's mint, peppermint green, and a little bit of magenta. And I really like the way it turned out, much better now than before. And these are the other 4 that they were in the same dye bath together. I wanted to do them in the same at the same time, that way they have almost the same tonal. So now I have to wait for them to dry to see the end result, and I will be showing you as well the ones that I dyed before. I already have them in my a bug, a beetle. Whew. That's the summer for you. So there they are, and that noise is my pond where I put my fish in the summer. Look how green everything is. It's amazing how cold and white in the winter and so bright green in the summertime. So when this dry, I will be showing you the end result when I wrap them up and the other ones that I already dyed before. This is my second day dyeing yarn. This time I'm dyeing 2 balls of yarn. I'm addicted. I have a mask on, so it's a little bit of steam. This one is more like in the blues and green, a little bit of the spicy saffron that I love, a little bit of orange, and that one is a very intense blue that look almost like purple. So I only dye this one in this side. I'm gonna leave whatever go to the other side, and I don't want too much color in this one. I want to do a hat for William, so I hope that's don't look too purplish. But don't matter, he loves purple, so don't matter. This is the result of the ones I just did. This is the fuchsia with a little bit of saffron spice. I don't know if with the light you can see. It's like almost a neon pink. And these are the other 4 that I dye together. I have to give it another dye bath because I wanted to have a little bit more of the the fuchsia. That way I can make a sweater with these ones. So let's see how that go. And these one are the worsted 4-ply wool. These ones is the ones I had already dyed before, and I re-dye again. They were pink and light, very light pink, very light green. I didn't like the color, and then I re-dyed them again, and I absolutely love it now. And again, I have some of the saffron in it. I love that color. It's one of my favorites. And these ones are the one that I dyed the next day. I love it. I only put dye in one side. I left the other side more bare, so they look really nice. The only thing that I was dyeing these for William and my husband to make a hat-ish, but then that was the same day that I put a little more of the fuchsia in this, and didn't realize that my little speckle tool, it was a little bit contaminated with the fuchsia, and I have a little bit of fuchsia in here and some spaces here. I realized that after I speckle the green. So that is that. I will have to dye 2 more for them. Probably try to replicate this color, but this time without the fuchsia, because I love this color for them. So those are the one that I just did. Now I'm gonna show you the one that I dyed before. I'm addicted. I already told my family that this is what I want for my Christmas gift. Bare natural yarn to dye. So look at this gorgeous color. I have these 3. They're the same fingering weight yarn. I absolutely love it. And again, you see there the saffron. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I want to try to dye 2 more to see I have enough for a small sweater for me. It was something that will give a contrast to this, maybe a lighter color. So these 2 are done almost with the same as this one, but these ones are lighter. This one is even lighter. I love this dark color. I think they look amazing. And again, look at the saffron in there, and this one is a little bit lighter. So these two purple with some blue in it, and this one don't have as much blue. This one is a little more blue in the inside there, and this one is in the outside. So I was trying to do a 2-dye lot for each one of them, some of them. Look at how gorgeous this one look. This is the finger weight again. They look amazing. And this one I don't have saffron. And this is another one. I absolutely love them. I love them all. Honestly, if I had to give any away, I don't know which to give because I absolutely love. Look at this rich color in here. They're gorgeous. Let me put this away and show you the other ones. And this one here is the rest. I have it in the box. So these one are the lace weight, and so is this one. You see these ones together will look amazing. Also is with this one because it have that pinkish there. That will look nice. I have this one, the lace weight, and so is this one. They look like mango. I love mango. So I have this one that is a little bit like the other one in the other box, and the lid. So I have this beautiful pink and pink tonal, lighter pink, darker pink. Gorgeous. I have two of these. And I have this one, that this is the finger weight. It's gorgeous. It's I twist this one, or I dye this one. I twist it. I put it in the dye bath, and I give some a sprinkle, and that's it. I put it to dry. I retwist it, and it look like this. It look amazing. I have two of these that I did the same process as this one, but they are a little more blue than lighter color. I have this one. I think this one is just one of these. Yep, one of this one, and again with the saffron. And this one is just again the same process as this one, but you get more pink and 100% wool at the end, the Peruvian wool. And this is lace again. It's the same as this one, two of them. So I have these ones that I bought in a local store. They are more like a rougher wool. It's 100% wool, but it's not the quality. They were more expensive than these ones, and the quality is now that amazing because I found that it's too rough. These were the first ones that I dye. I dye with food coloring. So let me lower that way you can see. But it's a rougher wool. And so is this one. This is food coloring. And this one as well is one of those, like this one. I love the color of this one. And this one. Again, it's a rougher wool, not as soft. So this one, I bought this one secondhand, a hank wool. It was this color, and then I just put it in the bath of one of them. When I finished, I think was this one, and it turned into this color, or this one. I forgot which one it was. I think it was this one, and turn to this color. This is a softer wool. So these are all the wool that I have dyed so far. I absolutely love it. I'm really addicted. Like I mentioned, I told my family a Christmas present. I'm expecting some Knit Pick gift card or money to buy more wool to dye because I love them. I want to start working with them to see what I can create with them. So thank you for watching this small video. Hope you guys like it and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. And if you dye any wool and you want to send me some picture, you can show them to me through my Facebook page Ruby Stem & Crochet or my Instagram Ruby Stem & Crochet. Please share my video with friends and family. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.